Hey guys, I'm so sorry that I did not get to this information in class. If you have questions or concerns, you just need to let me know. Email or Google Chat and we'll try to clear it up, okay? So, what you're going to be doing for homework is taking an exploration of one of the tests that grades 3 through 10th grade take, okay? It's called the ACT Aspire. So, I know you're all familiar with that good old ACT. That's what 11th graders and up take, but our 3rd through 10th graders take the ACT Aspire. So we have a website where they simulated each subject area, so you can kind of go through there and pick the one you want, and you're just going to explore what are the kids experiencing, what should I expect for them to be assessed like, because that's really the question we're exploring is how are students assessed. More so than by you, like how are they assessed by the state and things like that. So to help you keep track and what you'll bring to class or send me a screenshot of if you're a person who's playing ball or gone on Thursday, you're going to take your paper and just divide it into 4 sections. If you want to fold it, that's fine. If you want to draw lines, that's fine. So I'm going to quickly divide mine into 4 sections. Whoops, I kind of shot my paper in half. So anything just as something as beautiful as this, okay? That was sarcasm, by the way. So your 4 headings you're going to do are, we're going to look for terminology. So as you explore this student test, what terminology do you see? Like what words do you see that you think kids are going to know? Now, I'm not talking like if the math problem is about erosion, you're not going to write erosion down. But I'm talking like vocabulary that transfers, like maybe I don't know, like equation, interpret, like verbs that they're asking the kids to do. I don't know why I'm wearing a mask. Just kind of things like that. Words that you could see on different types of test or different parts of the test. Okay. And don't stress about this. If you can't figure out the terminology thing, there's other things to look for. So you're also going to be looking for technology, like technology skills. So as you take this test, what technology skills do your kids need to be able to do well on this test? And then you're going to go a little bit deeper and think of the skill requirements, like content, like if you're doing a math skill, like what all math do they need to know? If you're doing a reading or a writing or an English, what all skills other than technology do they need, okay? And then as you're going through it, I want you to think about the kids' stamina. Hopefully I spelled that right. I didn't. Stamina. Like, what does this test require the kids to do with like mental, physical energy? And we'll talk more about that on class, okay? But you can just make an overall statement, or you can make statements like as you're going through it, like, man, I'm losing my attention like crazy, or this is going to require a quiet room, or all kinds of stuff. Just what do you notice about the stamina required of the kids? So, okay, that's what you're going to be looking for. Now watch on the screen and I'll show you what you're going to be doing, okay? So on Google Classroom, where is it? We'll open it up. You have a thing called Sandbox, okay? So what this is, you can click on the link and open it, is ACT has loaded example test for you, okay? You don't need to sign up. You can scroll down and you're going to go down here first where it says English login exemplar booklet and login. Pick your topic. What subject do you want to look at? These are your choices. So let's say that I want to do science. Oh, by the way, if you're a social studies person, look at the rating. That they cover social studies in there. So like I'm going to click, oh, you've got to agree for this to work. So agree, and now your sciencing opens. So I'm going to think, oh, I want to look at science grade 7. Over here is my login information. So when it asks for my username, in just a second, I'll do Science 7, and my password is ACT Aspire. So that's the common pattern. If you see EHS, that means early high school. That is 9th and 10th graders, okay? So just pick the subject and the grade you want. I don't care. I just want you experiencing what kids do, okay? And it'll give us great background knowledge when we're looking at the specifics of test. So don't forget about writing too. That's an option for you. So once you have your username and password, now you're going to scroll up and go to the Student Sandbox login. And you're going to type in your password. Hopefully I remember mine. I think mine was Science 7 and ACT Aspire was my password. I'm going to log in. And now it's time for me to start my test, okay? Guys, this is not to stress you out. There is no right or wrong answer that you're getting a grade on. This is for the experience, okay? So you'll start it, and then you're just going to be looking. So act like you're taking the test and write down notes on your graphic organizer that we just made, okay? And just be thinking the whole time, what can I do to help kids get ready for this? What are students going to experience? And we will talk more on Thursday, okay? If you have questions, hopefully you know you can ask me. I am ready to help you.